it's another day on the farm, right? So we're actually gonna kill chicken today. We're just getting things started off. Just a start, right? Just a start. Alright, so this is the fire getting ready. You use any special technique to catch a fire? Stop lock down your ears so then there's a little smoke. You use any special technique? I say if you use any special technique to catch a fire, no, or you just catch it as a country lady?
I just use newspaper.
Just newspaper and the fire blaze already?
Yeah, newspaper.
Alone?
And it's a sponge.
And that then a special technique that man? Because if me I catch the fire, I gotta use kerosene oil and chew upon him, but I don't say with no kerosene oil now.
In the country time, my grandmother born and grew up.
Oh, so she teach you how to catch a fire. Alright, with the sponge. Alright, so we just get ready. So we just catch a fire. So the water will not start kill chicken. So we're not gonna say everything. You get me? Alright, so we just rinse out the pot because you know cleanliness is next to godliness. From I come over here from morning, I've been working. And you know the boss put it on the basket, Denise. I know
Yeah, the
man
basket.
don't lift a finger.
In the basket.
I know the boss don't lift a finger.
Yes, wait.
And me the around here some work. See there? Wash up Sister Joy and you can talk to her now. We're videoing. Right? So
She work on the general. She work on the general then.
So yeah, so from come over here from morning I've been working, so wash out the pot and then we are waiting for the fire to get started so we can put it on. And if you notice, this is a half a drum that we're using, right?
Yeah,
we don't use a regular pot because the regular pots are too small. So in Jamaica, you know, so we're innovative and creative. So this is it. I had a hand in this, right, boss?
Yes, boss.
Me give him the idea to use this, right? Stop laughing,
No,
you.
not laughing. Yes, boss.
So yeah, so we are getting the fire ready now to put the pot
Yeah,
on
the
it,
fire,
ready for
the
boil
fire,
because you know,
yes.
say it is killing time. I know say me a killer from long time. Watch my last video, I just must have it quick and fast, easy. You see me say today I just 1 tree and we're done already. Alright, so we soon get ready. You want me, man? No, you have to do it, sir. You have to make me hold it and then you tell why you really can't teach. And don't do that. Tell me and make me do it. Hey, no. Make sure say I catch this from video. You know. Tell me and make me do
Alright,
it.
hold the
Not
chicken.
do it for me.
Hold the chicken like you hold the chicken.
Yeah.
Put the chicken head down at the back.
Head down first.
Yeah. And then you turn and come up.
So why am I can't do it, so?
Anyway, you want me.
And then let go do it.
Alright, yo, yeah.
See, me are the little teacher and not him.
Boss egg killer.
See, eh? Easy does it.
Chicken again. Hey, this will be the chicken I kill one time. So don't do that. Look over the top. Show me the other.
Yeah, look here, after this me I kill no more. Oh, cause like how the blood run from my hand now. Get you afraid now. Ease yourself.
Yeah, go. No, let them not stay.
Expert at killing chickens.
Give me that jump.
No, it's like them know, so them are them when them going like that back there, you know. Just a last time at one, the most you know.
Want to go to that one now? You want one. What's the knife?
You can't be fast like you.
Chicken, sorry. Chicken.
Remember say you're the professional, you know.
Chicken, sorry.
Remember you're the professional, I am not. Nobody get nervous now like when the camera is flying.
Let you know.
Nobody get nervous.
Yo, almost like no, relax. watching us while it's coming to relax.
Take the camera in front of me, Assistant Brian.
Yo, me nah bust no head. Me have chicken for school for go after this soon. Me nah smell like chicken.
I want you kill.
Yes.
One.
Start me. Me nah kill your chicken.
Why you know it's protein and stuff,
Seven. Your mother call you.
It's like you already. I
Go
say
get a
yeah.
generator.
Yes, like that's the thing.
And the eyes.
Oh, I pick up.
Watch what I'm doing.
You want to be your own slow.
One man face expression. Oh, me zoom in for that oil ago. Yo, you have a put that in. Me zoom in for that oil ago. You can't hold 4 wings. Look. You can't hold, you have to hold it in here.
Really?
Go on turn.
Mash it.
Any smoke on you?
Oh, we can't do all of that. Don't turn again and say I want this, me turn up. And the smoke will kill me.
Mommy. Mash it.
So we have to keep turning them, right? Because we don't want them to stuck at the bottom and then overcook. And then when it's going at the top, it mash up. As it cook too much. The smoke cut me feet and my throat.
What kind of video?
When I catch my face.
What kind of video you have?
That's how we deal with the chicken.
Yeah, so you go. Alright, man, I'm going to do this wire.
Eh?
Alright, man, I'm going to do this wire.
Can't manage it at all. Stop.
Come. Let me just
So this ready now? Ready now? Come out even know how to feel if it's easy to come off or come test it. Come kill the last one now, come test this. Cause I'll me here on water now. Come on face. Christ. Test it.
Smoke bite, yo. Dodge. Move for the smoke.
Move my shop.
Move again, is it right? No, be aggressive. Give me 30 again. Is it right? Smoke will bite him, but I do the system around us. Dodge. Go there, so. The turn same way. Is it me? Must say mash up already and don't start.
Mash up, man.
Just like a football chilling.
Please no call me a mistake. No, Siobhan, you have to have water around here for we. Just God need some water.
Now you would this so hard.
I'm so scared.
Take out to the same time as well. Alright, I would say.
Yeah.
You want water?
Yeah? So them spinning over there. him neck.
Yeah?
Then he look like a sour.
Alright, John, sorry for this. Yeah, man, I do that, man.
I'm saying all of the time you don't catch it.
Come, catch it.
Actually, I teach him now. It's him can me and the maestro, so I show him how to use the picker, so he can dip on him own, right? That's his wife over there. Say hi, Mrs. Walcott. Alright, so sure, we'll actually start the picker first before we put in the chicken. Understand?
Yeah, man, I'm here.
Understand?
Yeah.
Alright, so start the picker, Mrs. Walcott. Yeah. Pour water. Alright. Sometimes them don't come out so clean, right? But you can unpick. I will know. We usually unpick before we get the picker, right? Old school style. You understand that?
Yes, I'm here.
So you give them less work around there to
When you
do.
learn and start.
You understand? Right. So this one now, ready? Pass it over to the worker just like that. So we're down to the final one now. Just me make him do that one upon him own and see if him actually learn.
I'm asking for the water, yeah?
Yeah, but watch it and so him catch it. Yeah,
That one
man.
cleaner.
That one you know, look like my one, you know. See there? It make it stay a little bit too long. So right so. So he may catch it, but with more practice, he will take time catch on. You understand? Alright.